Okay, this video is a follow-up on the Procrastination Collective, and it is about habits, habit formation. Now, everything you're going to accomplish, I don't know if you can hear that, but a very interesting flock of birds from Thailand that have an interesting sound. They just flew over me. Anyway, habits are going to give you your end results. And habits are pretty much everything, really are. And they have to be observed over time. But your habits are literally giving you your results in your life. So they're really important, far more important than most people realize. So, I don't know if you can hear those guys, but that's a remarkable bird. I think it's like an ocean bird. And we just had a big rainstorm. So anyway, focusing on habits and habit formation is very important. And to focus on the habits, first get a pen and paper and carry it around with you through your whole day, especially in the morning, and note down what your habits are. What do you do? And then notice which habits are a pattern. Most likely, almost all of them will be the same in a pattern day by day. In some cases, the Monday pattern might be different than the Tuesday or Wednesday pattern. If the day patterns are different for the week, make a week notebook and note down your patterns of habits on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. Now, this is making your life conscious because it's showing you what you're doing every day. And you can say something like, I surfed I had coffee and then I surfed social media for an hour. After I did that, I took a shower and I had to go to work. I was in a rush because I forgot to eat. So I just grabbed something from 7-Eleven on the way to work. You write these things down, okay? So that you can see your life, your habits. They're all habits, and they're all dopamine-driven reinforced loops. Dopamine-driven reinforced loops. That's what habits are. Now, once you have all those habits down, now you can decide if there are habits there that are either toxic, a waste of time, destructive, whatever. You note that down. Which ones do you want to change or eliminate? Change or eliminate. Okay. The other thing I want you to do is the habits, the way your habit week or day unfolds. What is the benefit you get from wasting an hour on social media? Look for it. What is the benefit of spending, 30 minutes watching CNN or whatever it is? You write it down so you know you did it or you're doing it, and what is the reward? Because every single thing you do, you are getting a reward. It's giving you relief from stress or making you laugh, or there's something. and you need to know what that is.